Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
The Panda Photographer here. So let me give you some travel tips as a travel photographer. So if you are new to this channel, please do note that take this with a grain of salt. This may vary based on the individual. So number one, travel as light as possible or travel with as much gear as possible that you need. The reason why I'm saying these two things as be prepared, number one, is because you want to be prepared for the seasons. So if you're traveling through the summer, travel for the summer. If you're traveling through the winter, travel through the winter. But if you're traveling like me, all season, all year round, you got to be prepared for both. So make sure that you buy or purchase or pack the right amount of gear. But that doesn't mean that the gear that you currently have, you might lose it, because that's about being prepared. So number two, social media, being social. Have to be social. So if you're traveling, try to get familiar with the people around you, but also try to get familiar with your surroundings. You want to engage in the local photographers, camera shops, the organizations, the universities. Even if you don't get any appointment from them, just let them know that your presence is there. Also, do on social media. Social media is a very good platform. Instagram could be a good platform, but make sure you choose the right audience on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and much more. Number three, always try to be financially prepared. Financially prepared is if things go wrong, you have an idea on how to save money. You gotta know how to save money, and you gotta know how to spend money. And that is key element. It's not about making money, it's about how you engage in your income and how you preserve your income. So for me, sometimes I sleep outside, sometimes I stay at hostels. Now my place of choice is the high US hostel or high international hostel. So when I'm overseas, it's a high international. When I'm in the States, it's a high USA hostel organization. They have great locations and great facilities around the States and the globe. So go check those organizations out. I'll leave those links down below. They have a full kitchen. You get to meet people, and that's a great place to meet people and engage and have friends. And you might be able to have a travel buddy with you, so that would be a plus. And you guys can also share the experience along with that as well. Number four, take this seriously. If you're going to be a travel photographer, you have to be serious about it. You have to put all your efforts into this. This is not something that you can just say, you do it for 2 weeks and then you come back, oh, I'm a travel photographer. No, this takes time, skill, and development. And what I mean by that is, it took me 7 years to develop to be a travel photographer, knowing the ins and outs. Yes, be prepared. I've been robbed a few times in gunpoint, but that doesn't stop me. So I know I shouldn't put that into this video to make you feel feared, but life is not about being perfect, and life is not being perfect. There will be complications on the road, so that's going back to step number one as well. Be prepared. So, number five, execute your content wisely. Make sure that you have a very good audience. Even if your audience is small, please don't give up. Encouragement. So, make sure the content is great. Make sure you blend the two. Do a little bit of time lapse, hyperlapse. You want to do a little bit of everything. Landscapes, long exposures, night photography, portraits, just in case you meet the people that you meet at the hostels. This goes back to number 3. So yes, this is all important to me. I take these 5 steps very seriously. And you guys are probably saying, what about your family? Well, what about my family? My family trusts me to do the right thing, and your friends as well. They are your family, but you guys are also my family. So that's part of number 3, being social. But anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in and watching and subscribing to this channel. If you like the content, please do subscribe, and please do take the time out to support this channel by hitting that PayPal donation link in the description below. But with that said, eat, sleep, videography, photography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video.